Pai pai ni phai thong ke rai siar ni Farmers Growth Center Auditorium Hall along Karbi Anglong Morning Star FC tumpen Official Jersey kangpu. Non ki wang ji chitti ni phai ke thomar ni pen kasa long ke pathu ponji I League 3 Farman Karbi Anglong Morning Star Football Club tum chisik chedang patang pamisi pai pai ni phai thong ke rai siar ni Official Jersey ingpu pondo. KAMFC Team Manager Waisong Be Kicharia Mailong, Carbino Thomas Council Nilip Education Block Chairman George Rongpi Mate, Abarim KAMFC Chunbang Penchenglo, KAMFC along Abarim members, players pen coach atum chitongdun. Ajak dinklui pen KAMFC atum akimang mate, I League along kipathudung long Japan, nonapor kimang nang kichuna son sidolo. Laso kipathu along KAMFC atum 100 an prepare pamelo. Lapen highway jipusi ningchit hipondo. KAMFC along Jasimet Methang Karbi Anglong football players atuma phansi ingvai pondo. Lapen Srinagar Meghalaya Nagaland pentame players wan loputa Nilip Education Block Chairman George Rongpi pen pachini.
All India pensi kewan aprangsi ditum Jammu Kashmir penta bahini do ino defense lapen inot ke winger bahini ta do lapen Manipur penta mesen I League pathu tangatum lapen Santos Trophy ke pathu tangatum atum panta one pono midfielder defense ta do lapen midfielder ke bolong goalkeeper long ta do lapen striker long tani pung one pon lapen putho tak Meghalaya penta ditum do dakta mesen striker do ditum ke one lapen dak tebok head itum neighboring lo Nagaland hadang Nagaland state long a captain lo kiwi bu alang I League second division ta pathu tang lo panta menitum Karbi Anglong Monster team long one lo
Non ki wang je chikloni phai ke thomar ni pen I League 3 ke pathu pangcheng ponpo lasi kopai ke me pen Assam Premier League along KAMFC pen chipa hai ponsi non I League 3 along men che thabdun long lo lasi Assam Farman KAMFC tumsi I League 3 along pathu dun po lasi Karbi Anglong arat na pen Assam angkangpi arat ki do antame ke langpen KAMFC atuma phan aning nangke pathe lapen ni nangke parong dunja phanta KAMFC team manager Waisong Bepen pachini.
See, Mr. Ayushman from AIFF, All India Football Federation, has come here and inspected the whole thing over here at Kasa Stadium. They look for the ground and the dressing rooms as well as the gallery. They feel very much satisfied. They recognize it as one of the international standard stadium that we have here in the northeast part of India. So it is a proud moment for us, and we should thank our Honorable CM Dr. Tuiram Ronghang for his wonderful initiative by constructing or by establishing such a beautiful stadium for us, not only for the people of Karbi Anglong but for the whole of India, because they are very much happy with the arrangement made by the Kasa and the Morning Star in collaboration with the All India Football Federation.
News report Karbi Anglong Live.